Welcome everybody. My name is Jerry. Today we're going to talk about HOG stock. So in front of us, this is the Harley Davidson stock traded on the New York Stock Exchange. You can see here on the far right, I took a small position today, just 20 shares, kind of nibbling on this. It's already up $12.80. So I made a little bit of money today. This let's see, it was up 36 cents today, the stock. And there looks like there's definitely some room for this to go. So there's a dividend actually coming up on June 9th, 15 cents. So that could, I don't trade based on dividends, but in this case, I happen to trade because I believe this is in a strong sector, okay? But in this case, there also happens to be some other benefits. One, the momentum is still rising. Even the forecast is suggesting that it's going to continue to go up. Dividend coming up on June 9th, 15 cents, so that doesn't hurt. And right now it's trading today, closed at $48.98, up 36 cents for the day compared to yesterday. I think this is going to go up probably at least to like 52-ish, maybe 52.75. I think the target price is actually higher than that. I think there's a target price by the end of the month up to $60. Now, it may not get to that $60. I'm going to probably, I always watch, once I get into a position, I'm carefully watching momentum, I'm carefully watching forecast, and I only trade stocks that are in strong sectors, and this one's in a strong sector. So, yeah, so this stock is in the leisure sector. In the leisure sector right now, yeah, it's doing really well. I think it's out of 40, I think there's 45 total sectors, but in any case, this is fairly strong sector right now. We've got what we call a bullish kind of configuration going on. Its relative strength is strong compared to the rest of the stock market, the weighted stock market, S&P 500. So this is looking pretty good as far as it's the sector that it's trading in. Okay, that's important. And so, like I said, I think this is going to go up to, at least $52 to $53, and it could do better. So I think this is going to be a really good hold here for. Now, in this case, this is going to be more of a swing trade from a few days to maybe a week or two at the most. Okay, so this is not going to be an investment type trade. I wouldn't hold this for like indefinitely. You could hold it to the end of the month maybe, but you really just want to be watching an opportunity. Yeah, I still believe this is, if you're thinking about getting into this position, I still think it's fine to get in because it looks like there's still some upside potential going on here. Again, I'm not giving anybody financial advice. You guys got to make your own decisions. Just sharing with you what I think are good trades and what I do personally. In this case, I've taken a small position, 20 shares. I might actually increase my position a little bit. I haven't decided yet, but that could happen. So I think this is, like I said, got $52 in it probably. So you're looking at another $2 on this. So there's some money to be made in this, I believe. Okay, but I like to watch the momentum. I'll watch the forecast, watch some other things, and when I think it's time to close the position, I will. I've always said when you got profit on the table, and you should definitely take it. And this one is a swing trade that's looking pretty good. Now, I've been talking about, you guessed it, ARLP. Now look at that. I'm up almost $1,100 on this trade, guys and gals. I've been telling you all, ARLP, okay, coal stock. And yeah, this stock is just absolutely ripping. Today it's up another 18 cents. At one point I think it was even higher than that. I think it was up to like 25 cents. I don't remember exactly, but closed up 18 cents compared to yesterday, 2.8% up for the day. And now this one is not a swing trade. I've already talked about this before, but this one's more of a long-term hold, an investment type position. Pretty good volume today, almost 1 million shares, so no problems going on there. As far as getting in and out of the stock, in and out of positions, no worries there. Up 1,100. I know a lot of people would close this position right now. I'm going to debate that. Do I close? Do I get back in when it takes a dip? Could, maybe not. I don't know. I'll think about it. Those are decisions you have to make for yourselves as you go along. So I'll think about that myself as the momentum starts getting kind of peaky here. I'll keep an eye on this. But I will say this much. If this stock breaks above, today it closes $6.42. If it gets above $6.55, that's going to be very strong. $6.55 is kind of a resistance point. You can see the two candlesticks. The red one back about a week or two ago, and then previous to that, another week or two before that, you can see those. They're red and the green candlesticks that are kind of sticking up there. Those candlesticks had highs of $6.55. So if it gets above that, then the next resistance point would be $6.68, which is the high that you're seeing on the screen there. So I think anything above $6.55 is a really good signal, and I think that's going to be a really a sign of some serious strength. Okay, and this particular sector continues to be strong: oil and coal. So oil and coal sector, that's a sector that if you don't follow it, you might want to dive into figuring out what the sectors are in the stock market, or in the marketplace, I should say, in general. So this sector is the oil and coal, which has been very strong. In fact, crude oil has hit the 1-year high. It's trading at a 1-year high right now, maybe even longer than a year, but definitely within the 2021 high. So that's another sign that oil and coal sector is doing really well. So this stock, I mentioned it before, I'll mention it again, it has potential to go to $18 or $20. I'm up $1,100. Of course, anytime you're up, you're a happy camper. But I think I'm gonna be patient with this one. I believe it's a long-term, more of an investor style hold. Okay, so again, HOG I think is a swing trade. I think it's got $52 in it, maybe better. ARLP, which is continuing to look very strong, I think it could go to $18, $20. Okay, hope you enjoyed the video today. Listen, if you haven't subscribed, click that subscribe button, and please give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Talk to you all again next time.